Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Viewer's discretion is advised. What I'm about to say next. Oh, fuck. I finally stepped into the dark side and went with a wireless keyboard. Even I didn't say it, I was not going to. I wind up doing it. So, I had enough money to go with this keyboard because I used the Huntsman and I used the Death Adder. I said, you know what? Let me try out this keyboard. Let me try it. And I always wanted to try out this keyboard for a long time. I really wanted to. And I decided, you know what? I pulled the trigger. So this is the Logitech G915 TKL. I really don't use the numpad, to be honest, but the one thing I really like about this keyboard that's going to get me similar to that full size is that one, it has the media keys and also has a volume rocker as well. And I kind of like that it has its own dedicated game mode button. So what that does right there, if you've not been living under a rock, you know already. For those of you who are living under that rock, it's basically, it's a godsend for gamers. Back then when I used to have the G15, what's the G15? I think G15. I always had a problem hitting the Windows key. And I found it by accident once by just switching to gamer mode and never hit that Windows key ever again. And ever since, I really love that feature a lot. It's like, it's a must-have on the keyboard. If it doesn't have it, then that keyboard deserves to be burned. And get a keyboard that has that type of feature. So, sorry I went a little bit off the topic right there. Let's get right to this. So the switch I went with is the GL Tactic. So it's light speed, which uses Logitech technology, wireless technology. It says right here, let me read this. 40 hours of battery life, that's with the RGB. That's not a problem with me. Okay, get that out of the way. Let's open up this bad boy. So I did use this keyboard as well, the Apex, for I think about 2-3 days. It's good, I like it. And I was gonna get that keyboard because this is my brother's keyboard, but again, he was cool enough to let me try it. Ooh, look at this. So it comes with the keyboard itself. And of course, warranty information, user guide, even comes with a Logitech sticker. Nice. To break your guys' hearts, this thing doesn't have USB Type-C. Oh, crap. Yep, it's a mini, yep. So there's the keyboard itself. There's the wireless receiver. This is like an extension, aka USB flash card. And right here, you can store your USB receiver and take it on the go. And it also has 2 different types of heights adjustments, which for me, I'm not going to even bother with that. I'm just going to pretty much be gaming like this. And I don't have to use a wrist rest, which is awesome. So let's open this baby up. Okay, quick side-by-side comparison. Of course, it's a little bit longer, of course, but really built heavy out done. It's really heavy for a compact keyboard like this. Very slim. Ooh, wow, that's ooh. Okay, knew that was gonna happen. So the switches right here is with collaboration with TKL. These are mechanical switches. I just gotta be very careful because I don't want to hurt these. Ooh, there we go. So this is how the switch looks. I'll bring the camera close. So that's how the switches look. Unfortunately, they don't have replacement for this, which it will suck. It will suck, and one of them will damage on you. It will be nice if Logitech can sell that separately or sell way much better build quality, or hopefully a company will build a third-party keys with better quality, but doesn't bother me. So I'm gonna plug everything in, get everything set up. I gotta get this keyboard back to my brother. So once I'm done, I gotta go to his place and pretty much return it back to him because he wants his keyboard back. So stand by, ladies and gentlemen. So okay, I already got everything set up, ready to go. And pretty much I plugged everything in, ready. This is how it looks. I have it a little bit lower, but I can increase the brightness even. I think that's the highest it can go, which it looks nice. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. I forgot to mention this as well. Also, your on or off switch is right here at the top. Right here. Pretty easy. So let me get this out of the way. And let's unbox the G703. Now I got more space. Awesome. So I wanted to go with the new Hero sensor, but I'm gonna have to wait for a little bit longer to get my hands on it. I'm not gonna do no reviews because I already did a review of it already. So this is the 16K. I've been trying to get the 20K version of it, but yeah, a little bit hard to find. There we go. Oops. So the mouse itself, whew, reunited, and it feels so good. Okay. Put that aside. I'm not gonna put no weights on it because there's no point. The receiver itself. And of course it comes with the same information. User guide, had to set it up, warranty information. It comes with a sticker. It also comes with a 10-gram weight, which I'm not gonna put it. So let me plug everything in. Stand by. So that I replugged the mouse already, ready to go. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. As always, you got questions, you already know what to do. Answer those questions down in the comment section. Until then, I am signing off. Be safe out there. And remember, kids, don't do drugs. I'll talk to you guys later.